how to change video quality on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change video quality on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now video quality largely depends upon the type of plan that you have. If you have basic plan that offers you only 720p, that's the quality you're going to get. The standard plan offers you 1080p, that's the quality you're going to get. The premium plan, which is the ultra plan, offers you the 4K resolution, so you can stream up to 4K on 4K devices. So you can open up Netflix and just check what kind of plan that you have. If you have a normal plan, that is the quality of it. You cannot increase more than that. But if you have a good enough plan and if you're still getting some blurry issues, so first of all tap the three lines option, go to account, and as you can basically see under account tab, I actually have a premium ultra HD plan, so I can stream up to 4K. Now aside from that, whenever I'm playing Netflix, if I'm having a low quality, it's most likely because of the internet. So just wait until your internet has become stable on the Netflix app and it will load automatically in the ultra HD plan or the quality that you prefer, because Netflix doesn't have an option to choose the quality manually. You just have to change the plan, and along with the plan you get those video quality. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.